Here's how to use Google Sheets offline so you can keep working without an internet connection. First, make sure the Google Docs offline Chrome extension is installed. Open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and check that Google Docs Offline is active. If it is not there, search for it in the Chrome Web Store and install it for free. Next, go to drive.google.com and click the Settings gear icon, then select Settings. Find the Offline section and check the box that says Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Click Done. Now, to make specific files available offline, right-click on any Google Sheet in your Drive and select Make Available Offline. That file will sync to your device and can be opened and edited anytime, even without Wi-Fi. When you reconnect, all your changes sync back to the cloud automatically. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.